Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to get your transfer pin from T-Mobile. First, download the T-Life app from the App Store or Google Play if you haven't already. Open the app and tap on Manage at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on Settings at the top. Then go to Permissions and Controls. This is where you can manage things like your account security. Look for Transfer PIN and tap it. Finally, tap Get a Transfer PIN and your 6-digit PIN will appear on the screen. Write it down or copy it somewhere safe. You'll need it if you're switching your number to another carrier. And that's it. That's how to get your transfer pin from T-Mobile. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.